Good morning students. Yesterday we had started with new lesson. The name of our lesson is Major Dhyanchand, and then in this lesson what we studied? We studied about the two teams playing hockey with each other. Which were those two teams? One was Germany and other was India, right? And then they had on 15th August 1936 they were going to play what? They were going to play finals of hockey, and Germany was very tough team. And then Hitler of Germany, correct? Hitler of Germany went to see the match because he was knowing that the team of Germany is going to get victory. Victory means what? They are going to win in the match. And then here it is told that about 40,000 people gathered to see hockey match between India and Germany, and then they were going to cheer. Cheer means what? They were going to support Germany, and even some people from India also went to Germany. Names of those people are what? The Maharaja of Baroda state, the Prince of Bhopal, and few other Indians went to support Indian team. Understood? Till here we have studied yesterday, and today we are going to study is next paragraph, paragraph number 4. The match started exactly at 11 a.m. The German team had adopted a novel strategy of using the Indian technique of short distance passing against the Indian team itself. They had resorted to a very aggressive play. The Indian team was offering an equally strong resistance. No team could make a goal during the first half hour. During the 32nd minute, Roop Singh scored the first goal, hitting the ball towards the goal post from the difficult angle. In the second half of the match, the Indian team found a firm footing. The entire team played as one and made three more goals against Germany. Two of them were made by the captain of the Indian team, Dhyanchand. However, the German players were also trying their level best to win. They too succeeded in making one goal. Okay. In this way we have studied two paragraphs, and here it is told that in fourth paragraph it is told that the match started exactly at 11 a.m. At what time match started? Match started at 11 o'clock in the morning, and it is told that the German team had adopted a novel strategy of using the Indian techniques. Short passing means what? To pass ball to immediately to another player. Short pass, okay. थोडेसे जवळ उभे राहतात आणि बॉल एक one person is passing ball to other person where distance is less. Are you getting or not? That is called short passing. And then which technique German team applied? German team applied short pass technique of Indians, and then they had resorted to very aggressive play. They became very strong. They got confidence that we are going to win the match because Indian team is not that comfortable on the ground, because already one day before it had rained on the field and Indian team was not comfortable with wet ground. Understood? And then they told that they had resorted to a very aggressive play. The Indian team was offering an equally strong resistance. Indian team was also not less. They were also playing so beautifully, or you can say they were playing with strong resistance, and they were trying to defeat Germany team. No team could make a goal during first half. If the game is of 30 minutes, okay, if the game not of 30 minutes, if the game is of 40 minutes, first 10 minutes were over. Germany team also not did any goal, and Indian team also did not do any goal. Then what happened? When 32 minutes were over, at that time Roop Singh is a name of a player of India. ही मेड 1 goal. रूप सिंग कोण होता? तर रूप सिंग हा आपल्या देशातला होता. ही वॉज एन इंडियन अँड ही मेड 1 goal against the Germany, and where he did that goal? From the corner of the goal post. Are you understanding? Corner of the goal post. If this is the goal post, from this corner, for example, from this corner he did goal inside the goal post. Are you understanding? He did what? He hit the ball from the one corner and it goes in the goal post, and Roop Singh was the name of the player who did this first goal. Then in next paragraph it is told that the first half was over, only 1 goal was over. First half over, there was no goal. Then second half started. That time Roop Singh did 1 goal. In the second half of the match, the Indian team found a firm footing. Firm footing means what? They became little strong, and as they got first goal, त्यांना पहिला गोल मिळाल्यानंतर त्यांचा कॉन्फिडन्स अजून कॉन्फिडन्स वाढला. ओके, they increased their confidence and they had firm footing. Firm means what? Strong determination. They were knowing that we are going to win. We have got first goal and then 101% we are going to win. The entire team played as one and made 3 more goals against Germany. Already 1 was made and more 3 goals were made by Indian team against Germany. And from this 4 goals, 2 goals were made by Indian captain. The name of Indian captain is what? Major Dhyan Chand. He is very much famous personality, Major Dhyan Chand. You will say what ma'am is saying. Really, now also when anything is spoken or if anything is told about players, and when the name of hockey is taken, that time immediately naturally it comes that Major Dhyan Chand was very good player of India. Very good hockey player of India. Who was very good hockey player of India? Major Dhyan Chand was very good player of India, and as Indian team made 4 goals, from 4 goals, 2 goals were made by whom? 2 goals were made by Major Dhyan Chand. Okay. However, the German players were also trying their level best to win. They too succeeded in making 1 goal. When Indian team made 4 goals, that time Germany team made how many goals? 1 goal. Indian team 4 goals, Germany team 1 goal. Okay. Then what happened further, that we are going to study. Now, only a few last minutes were left. Dhyan Chand had resolved to win the match at any cost without allowing Germany to make any more goals. His spiked shoes were making it difficult for him to run fast on the wet ground. He removed the shoes on the wet ground. Just imagine, he removed the shoes and the socks and began to run barefoot. What he did? His shoes were of which shoes he used to wear? He used to wear stout shoes. Are you getting or not? Which shoes? Spiked. Spiked shoes means what? Spiked shoes means what? Shoes which are having nails. Shoes, those shoes which are having nails. Shoes which are having nails. Those shoes are like this. For example, if this is shoe, it is having nails. What it is having? It is having nails, and these nails are called spikes. And as the ground was wet, जमीन कशी होती? Wet होती, because it had rained one day before, and because of that what happened? His shoes were getting stuck into the mud. Are you getting? And as shoes were getting stuck into the mud, he was not able to run properly, and he had decided that I will not allow Germany team to make goal, because already we have made 4 goals and in advance we have 3 goals. And if we will not allow, instead of making more goals, we will not allow Germany team to make their goals. Understood? What he did then? He removed his shoes and socks and he started running with hockey stick with bare foot. Bare foot means what? Bare means what? Means what? Kahihi naslela. Okay. No, without anything, without wearing anything in his feet, he started running and playing the match. Have you understood? Have you understood lesson till here? Is there any doubt? I think no. Remaining part of the lesson we will study in next week's Thursday's period. Okay. Thank you.